So yesterday and the day before, Pichu has realized that there is a crystal bowl on the kitchen shelf. So he went inside of it, he pooped a few times and left a few feathers. There was a little filth inside of it, and yesterday I went out for a walk and I got some branches for him. So what he's doing is enjoying, just birds like to do that, especially because cockatiels have some sharp beaks, and it's really nice to see him doing something and not just sitting around and plucking his feathers or whatever he does in his free time. He is so awesome. Look at him. Right. He's so adorable. He makes a lot of mess, but it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. He's a wonder to me. Pichu! That's how we were learning the jingle bells, and he learned it perfectly. You can see it in my previous videos. He's really nice. He actually learned to raise his voice even higher, so when he sees me in the morning, he's like, ah! 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 Sorry about that. Or when I'm leaving, so I'm shutting the entrance door, he's actually usually resonated in front of the entrance door, so he sees me and he's like, Pichu! So I'm like, yeah, I'm leaving and I'll be back in 4 hours. Yeah. He's beautiful. Look at him. Aww. No. Smattan. Hát ne legyél ilyen lüke. Itt van.